Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to delete your Stripe account permanently. In order to do this, first of all, log into your Stripe account using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. So this is Stripe's dashboard. On the dashboard, make sure you are at home and you will see the settings option. Click on settings. Now you will see two options, settings and profile. Select settings from this and you'll have this page. On this page, choose business, that is the first option, and you will see your account details. You'll have various options under this: account details, public details, business details, and much more. You don't have to go anywhere. Just scroll down and you will see close your account button. So by closing your account, you will not be able to access your financial data for reporting and tax purposes, create future changes and refunds, and respond to new disputes. You can also go through this link that is here before closing your Stripe account. And when you click on this link, it is going to this page. Now you can read all the documents and helpful information that you should read before closing your account. So make sure you go over this. You can also skip this if you are in a hurry and click on the close account button here. Now, when you click on close account, this is going to send a verification code to the email with which this account will be associated. So enter the verification code received on your mail and you'll be navigated to this page. So this is the last step. Stripe will show what are the things you won't be able to do after closing your account. So you won't be able to access your financial data for reporting and tax purpose, creating new changes or refunds, or submit evidence for new disputes. Simply click on close account and your Stripe account will be permanently deleted. If you don't want to do it, click on cancel. So that's how you can delete your Stripe account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.